How to add OR network on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add OR network on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on search bar and search for OR network. You are looking to add OR network, right? Just click the box and hit next button. Click on import. As soon as you click on import, OR network will be added in MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add OR network on MetaMask. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.